Hey everyone! Today, sakimatravel is taking you on a super cool POV tour of the amazing Rex Hotel Saigon. Get ready to step into the shoes of a guest and check out their incredible rooms, including the super luxurious presidential suite. Before we dive into the tour, let's give a quick rundown of the Rex for those who are new here. Feel free to skip ahead if you already know all about it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment. Originally built as a French garage in the early 20th century, in 1959 the Rex Hotel was expanded into a 6-floor trading center. It was leased to the American Cultural Center in 1960, at which time the Abraham Lincoln Library was established on the ground floor. In 1973, the building was renamed the Rex Trading Center. It included 3 cinemas, a cafeteria, and dance hall, famous throughout Southeast Asia. Designs were drawn to convert the trading center into an illustrious hotel. However, the project was unrealized at the conclusion of the war on April 30, 1975. Since 1975, the development and prosperity of the country has come full circle. The Rex Trading Center became a property of Saigon Tourist in Ho Chi Minh City and was upgraded into an international hotel, renamed Ben Thanh. The Rex Hotel was adopted as its international trademark. In 2008, the Rex Hotel was classified as an international 5-star hotel. Alright, enough history. Let's check out the presidential suite now with sakimatravel. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you want to see more room tours of luxury hotels in Saigon, drop a comment below. sakimatravel is ready to make that happen.
sakimatravel.